Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the watch has enough charge and your phone is nearby. This prevents interruptions. Open the Fitpro app and sign in so the device list loads. Once the watch appears, tap Devices and choose the connected watch. This step pairs the app controls with the watch firmware. Without it, you cannot push time settings. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on the phone because the app uses Bluetooth to send the new time to the watch. You now navigate into watch settings and look for time sync or manual time. Different firmware uses different labels. If there's an automatic time sync option, try that first. It uses your phone's time zone. If manual adjustment is required, select manual time, set hour and minute precisely, and pick 12-hour or 24-hour format so alarms and records match your preference. Once set, press Save or Sync. The app will cue the update and prepare to push it to the watch over Bluetooth. You finish by tapping Sync or Save and watching the app for a success message. Wait until confirmation so the change writes fully. Then check the watch face and any alarm times to confirm accuracy, because mismatched formats can shift alarms. If the time didn't update, restart both watch and phone, reopen Fitpro, and repeat the sync. This clears temporary Bluetooth glitches. If problems persist, make sure the app and watch firmware are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.